Chef Boyardee, do you know how to make an apple turn over?
No.
You push it downhill. Okay, now to start, you're gonna melt your butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. Then you're gonna take out your wafers, and you're gonna want about 2 cups of those. No, these are delicious. These are delicious. Like, you see the dog? You see the dog? The dog wants one, right? Okay, and then you're gonna put about 2 cups of that in there. That should be about good. That's lovely. And go like that. And cover that. And
Oh my gosh, I found Ninja!
wait,
I found Ninja!
Ow! Let's dance on him.
Let's see it. Let's see it. How to cook 101.
Oh, hold on. We might have temporary difficulties. We'll come back as soon as we figure out this thing. So here, we finished blending this up, so we're gonna get 2 cups of that. Two cups. Then you're gonna put that in your bowl. You're gonna want 1 stick of butter. You can use a little bit less than 1 stick if you want. You want to make sure it's melted. Put that in there. Then you're gonna add your 1/3 cup sugar.
Gotta make sure you put it in there like a professional chef.
Then you're just gonna toss it up in the air. And just mix this up until it's kind of in bigger crumbs. Yeah. Just do this. Just keep doing it. Okay, so you got the larger crumbs. So you're gonna pour that into here. You might not use all of it, but it just depends on how thick you want your crust. Then you're just gonna spread it out in here, like so. And do this, like so. Just got a little bit more here we're gonna add. And that. Then push that into there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You just put it in the freezer for like 20 minutes now, and you're done with the crust. So we cut up our apples. So now you're gonna get some butter and a teaspoon of cinnamon. That's 2 tablespoons of butter right there. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Put that in there, I think. I don't know.
You think?
I don't even know.
You think?
I'm not an actual chef. I'm a fake. I don't. You probably didn't know that, but yeah. I'm not a real chef. Okay, so now that your butter's melted, you're gonna toss all your apples in there. Then you're gonna add a 1/3 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of oil. What would be funny is if that stir thing caught on fire right now.
Like most of our videos?
Yeah.
Something usually
Okay,
catches
how
on
to cook
fire.
school pizza, house needed right now.
Check it out if you haven't already.
It's amazing. We're gonna check to see what we have to do
If you
next.
made it this far through the video, you should give yourselves a pat on the back. Also, Guys, don't forget to share this. Share the merch link. Share the video. Share the channel with anybody you know, guys.
Get us to 200 subscribers.
Let's see if we can get to 200 subscribers before Christmas. Let's see if we can do that, guys.
Okay, so while you're stirring that and stuff, you're gonna combine 2 half teaspoons, aka 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, like that, with 2 tablespoons of water. Right there, that's 1 tablespoon. Oh, we gotta restart. Okay, there we go.
Let's be a little bit more careful this time, chef.
Yeah, okay, this time we're gonna make it. Okay. There's 1. I just need 1 more. There we go. Then we're gonna mix that together. I'll just mix it together with this. Yeah.
I would definitely recommend drinking this. It will taste very good.
Okay, so it's been like 5 minutes, so we're just gonna stir this a little bit. We're gonna add this little bit by little bit. We'll just add like half of it now.
It's not going to come out of the bowl if you pour it slowly. So, yeah, it's just going to...
Okay, then, Mr. Chef.
Do you know how physics work, bro?
No,
I mean...
I'm not a chef.
We're going to have to bleep that out. I think we would just say your real name on camera.
Chef. So, the apples were kind of soft, so we let it boil for 1 minute, then we took it off, and right now it's gonna cool, and then we're gonna put it in the pie. Yeah. Okay, so this is cooled off, so we're gonna pour it in here.
Look at those barbecue apples.
They aren't barbecue.
Wait, they're not? I thought that was barbecue sauce.
I'm not a chef, but I'm... No. This is ketchup.
Okay. Yummy.
Then we're gonna spread that out. And you don't want to put it in right now unless you want your dish to shatter, because cold glass, hot oven, you know?
Tell them about the science behind it.
You know, hot, cold, boom.
Thank you.
Yep. So make sure it's nice and spread out. And then we're gonna make a crumble while this, to put on top of here while it cools. For the top, which is a crumble thing, you're gonna have half a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of flour, 2/3 a cup of brown sugar. Okay. So sorry about putting the brown sugar in the flour bin, but we fixed it. So you're also gonna want 1 tablespoon of white sugar. And then we're gonna stir it all together into large crumbs. Okay, so Chef Bardi is working on Snapchat, so we're gonna have to record this by ourselves.
No, hold on.
Okay, so you're gonna take your crumble. No, it didn't quite crumble, so we're just gonna rip it up and put it on there. Here's the end result after about 17 or 18 minutes. Now the sides right here are pretty crisp. This is well cooked. You want to let it cool for probably about 40 minutes before you put it in the refrigerator or eat it. And enjoy.